Put it on top of this.
I should have worn shorts. Hey, how do you look at your wallet? A little bit heavier on these boards, a little bit more loose.
You know, we were on our way to Wallops and I saw this. I saw this. Yeah, it's close to right. So, yeah, we've never been to Wallops either. But when we
How I
were
drive, I
way
wouldn't have to
north,
switch my tires.
so we were at our beach house. Yeah, yeah.
I like to say it's all for the line. Like a mug.
I'm glad I saw that. It's been a long time, but it can be done.
Today's the day.
For y'all.
Provide final wind-weighted settings. Final settings are as follows. Azimuth 100.4, elevation 79.2. Azimuth 100.4, elevation 79.2. Good read back. LC ROA. Go for LC. MRL launcher final wind-weighted settings are azimuth 100.4, elevation 79.2. LC copies and work.
And as you can hear, we just passed on the final launcher settings, azimuth and elevation. Came from our range safety officer to our ROA, range operations, and then on to launch control. We will make the settings at the launcher you see on the screen out at the launch pad on Wallops Island. This, of course, goes through safety scrutiny review to make sure that we avoid any hazards and remain within the hazard area dictated by our range safety officer. We are now at 4 minutes and counting. Copy that, check 425. Past 3 minutes and counting for our first rocket launch today from Wallops Island, Virginia, as part of the atmospheric perturbations around the Eclipse path, or APEP mission. Much easier to say APEP. I'll say that from here forward. APEP launch here from the MRL launcher on Wallops Island Range. We will have 3 rocket launches today. MRL will be our first launcher, which is the closest to you, looking our left on the left of the screen. The ARC will be our second launcher, which is not on screen currently, and then our third launch will be from our 50K launcher, which is currently on the right of screen that we're seeing now. Again, the APEP mission here during the eclipse to study disturbances in the ionosphere with our PI, Dr. Aro Perjadia, here from Embry-Riddle. We also have other co-PIs in this mission that we'll talk about after this first launch. We are now at 2 minutes and counting.
Check 437. Experiment, you go. Experiment, go. PLC. PLC, go. PTM. Go. STM. Go. ACS. Go. PI. Go. SRPO. Go. Check 438, 439. 1 minute. SPLC, check 441, go.
There goes Mom.
Woo!
I ain't seen it yet.
Mom, right up there. Get out the binoculars.
Oh.
Watch, stage 2's about to go, I think. No, I guess I don't have them.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome.
Good. Don't always look in them.
Well, that's what they told me to do. Oh, that's
Who's going? To the ionospheric. I got another hour to wait.
But I think there's probably.
And about from T0, once we pick up the count. 5025 is confirmed for our next T0. So let's listen in at range control.
Is it a good place to eat just in general? 322.
Wow. Look at it now.
Exciting.
Oh no! You got to turn it back. Huh?
You're making sure we're below our fixed values. Copy. PLC check 492. Yes, check 493.
M&O, DPM.
M&O.
Report TM lock and verify no change in TM signal strength.
Standby.
RC, DPM.
RC, go. TDR, so we are within values. PTM check 499.
RC, confirm no change.
PLC check 497, 49. No change in transpond. 500. DPM M&O, report TM lock and verify no change. LC, ACS, do you have final launcher settings? Yes, I was waiting for the net to calm down.
494, 495, 496.
Actual launcher settings are as 100.9, elevation 79.3.
324.
Copy LC. SPLC check 506, go. Yes, ma'am.
So, hopefully look at the breathing tower. Go. Here comes.
There we go, Lauren.
Darwin! Darwin! Look! Oh, awesome.
awesome. I don't think I got it. Yes, that's called a what? Contour? That is so awesome.
Look over there on the island. Look at all that
Oh,
smoke
look at
from
the
where it's going.
smoke.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That is super cool.
Look at that.
That from
Look
Look
at that zip bag.
An academia for study. Let's listen in. Let's count. And we take a look in the RCC. Bottom of the screen center is our PI, Dr. Berjadia, and his science. Squib.
Sorry, so go ahead. How long can we hold here with our current balloon? Stand by. We could do maybe another 5 minutes, but if we're going to go much past that, we're going to have to do another balloon. That's going to take time to actually get that balloon up there, going, cut settings, and get you new settings. So it's
another 5 minutes.
hold another 5 minutes, and that's going to take some extra time. Experiment, you go. Experiment, go. PLC. PLC, go. PTM. Go. STM.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
Huh?
Get ready, I think it's gonna go.
Anxiety's kicking in. It's behind the tree. Know where we could get it.
That was quick. Alright, see you.